Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So we're going to be baking some chicken drumsticks and potatoes in the regular oven. Okay, and we're going to be baking it on 400 degrees covered with aluminum foil. Okay, so I thought it would be nice to have a baked dish for a change. So we're going to do it, okay, in the regular oven. This is for you guys who requested for me to cook in the on the regular stove and oven. So here you go, okay? Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so I have here, it was maybe 10 small potatoes and one medium one. So I cut it in half into pieces. Let me show you the sizes. About that big, okay? Okay. So now I'm going to put a little garlic on the potatoes and some pepper and some olive oil. Sorry, grapeseed oil. I'm just going to make sure that all the potatoes have the oil on them. And this is drumsticks. I have 6 drumsticks that I've already seasoned with Larry's seasoning, salt, pepper, and garlic. And we're going to put that in there. Okay. And then I'm going to cover this. And we're going to have this with some salad afterwards, okay? Alright, so I'm going to cover that and I'm going to put it in the oven and let that cook on 400. We're going to check it in, let's say 20-25 minutes. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, our baked chicken and potatoes is out, and I'm gonna have this with a nice salad, and this is gonna be dinner. Okay, alright, so you do yours and let me know how it comes out. You know we love potatoes, right? At least I do. Okay, so until next time, I'll talk to you later. That was a quick meal that you could cook for you and your family in less than 30 minutes. Alright, bye-bye. Hit the thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if this is the first time on my channel. And I welcome you all. Share the love. Bye-bye.